with this is actually the first time I'm ever doing one of these. This is going to be an Amazon must-have. So these are my favorite Amazon finds. I have a sick, bad, awful obsession with Amazon. And also, I believe Amazon Prime Day is July 11th and 12th. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's extra deals or deals. I don't know. Lemonade is like extra pulpy. I'm gonna have my Amazon storefront link down below with everything I'm talking about will be linked there. But if this is your first video from me, make sure you guys are subscribed. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell next to it so you get notified when I upload. But I upload every Thursday. And then also make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias because I'm there way more than I'm here. So I will have my Instagram and then my TikTok on the screen as well as all my other socials down below. But without further ado, let's just get into it. So we're gonna start with like beauty product and then we'll go into more like random lifestyle things. Okay, first one, this is really basic. I feel like everyone has talked about this, but I just need to add it in because it has been life-changing, and it is this little eye puff. Yeah, like I said, everyone has talked about these, but you can get like a pack of like 6 of them for super cheap, and honestly you can reuse these. You just throw them in your washer dryer with like your clothes. And I used to have the Laura Mercier one. I like this one better, honestly, and it's way cheaper, and it just fits perfectly right under your eyes just like that, and it just sets your makeup. And yeah, I absolutely love these. I just feel like it's changed the way I do my under eyes. Like my under eyes set way better with these versus when I don't use these. Next one, this will change your life if you've never tried this. So I found these from watching a TikTok, and yeah, these are life-changing if you're into fragrance. So these are just little oil perfumes, and I freaking love them. So it's just fragrance oil. So I have this jasmine one, the rose, and then vanilla bean. And so I layer these. So I'll put this first and then I spray my perfume over top of this. Guys, when I tell you, I've never gotten so many compliments as when I do these underneath, which I need to order a new one. But it's just like a little roller ball and you just roll it on. And it lasts all freaking day. Oh, it smells so good. And they're very strong. But when I tell you they last all day because it's oil, so it like soaks into your skin more than just like a spray perfume. And then I like to spray my perfume over top. You really don't need to. What is the next thing? Oh, vitamin E oil. So I found this vitamin E oil. I have spilt it, so it's half a mess. But yeah, so this is pure vitamin E oil, not a vitamin E oil blend. This is amazing for acne scars. I'll put it on after the shower. I will be honest with you guys, it's very sticky, it's very messy. I accidentally knocked it over and it spilled everywhere, so I'm like down to here when I did have a full bottle of it. But you can do it on your hair. I'll do it on my like nail cuticles. But yeah, it is very sticky and tacky. That's how you know it's a pure vitamin E oil, and that's when you really get the benefits of using vitamin E oil versus like the blends that you can buy. I love it after the shower. I'm somebody, I like to feel really moisturized after I get out of the shower because I just have dry skin, and then I live in the desert, so it's like extra dry. So to me, I don't mind it being a little bit sticky just for like a little while until it soaks in my skin. It's great for like stretch mark scars, acne scars, anything like that. Oh, the next thing, I've had this for a while. It's just one of those big hair wavers. I wish my hair was like waved right now, but it's curled. Anytime you ever see me with my hair waved, it's with this. This was like so cheap. I think it's like $15, like something ridiculously cheap. It works amazing. The only thing I will say negatively is it only has a couple like heat settings, but yeah, this works absolutely amazing for the price. It gives you those like big beachy waves that everyone has, because I bought other ones that give you like too small of waves, and that's just like the perfect size. Next thing, guys, this is life-changing. This was a TikTok buy, absolutely life-changing. I've only had this is like the newest product that I bought, and I've only had it for maybe 2-3 weeks. I've noticed such a difference. So it is the Smart Skin facial spray. Okay, so this exact one that is the facial cleanser one is sold out right now. They have other ones. They're all the exact same ingredients. They just market them differently, but it's the same exact stuff. So if it says when you go on there that it's sold out, get a different one. They're exactly the same. But this is, so I've never heard of this. Again, this was a TikTok buy. This is hydrochloric acid. And 28 Tower has a spray very similar to this at Sephora that everyone has been loving. So when we're on TikTok that this was a dupe. I don't even care that it's a dupe. It's the hydrochloric acid that I just can't believe I've never tried. But basically, hydrochloric acid will kill off any bacteria that causes acne. So if you're somebody that breaks out a lot, you need this. I spray this on everything. I have a little bit in my car. I will spray right after I get out of a workout. before I get home to like wash my face. I spray this after or while I'm at the pool. I spray this before I do my skincare. I spray this after I do my skincare. I spray this before I do my makeup. I'll spray this after my makeup, like a setting spray or like a refresh spray throughout the day. I spray it, you could spray it on your pillowcases. I spray it on my makeup brushes. Literally anything that touches your face, you put this on it. I swear I haven't had a breakout since I've started with this. Even if I had like a little bit forming, I would spray it, it would go away. So like literally you need this. I have not broken out since I bought that. Okay, next thing, this is a dupe for the I forget what they're called, the clean towels or whatever, but this is a dupe. It's cheaper, it's the same thing. It is, which I have a new one I just got. So it's just basically disposable dry towels, so you can use these dry or wet, and you're supposed to use these after you wash your face. So if you guys don't know, using like a regular towel that you would use on your body to dry off after the shower is too rough for your face, so they do recommend using like a microfiber towel. But so for a while I was using a microfiber towel, and I would use the same towel and then until it was my laundry day, so like 7 days a week, and then that 7th day I would go clean the towel. But that towel holds so much bacteria that you're just like, if you're cleaning your face and then putting a dirty towel on it, instantly you're gonna break out, because like you might as well not even wash your face, you know. So these are great for that because they're clean every time, they're gentle on the skin. I use some with my, which I need to get more of this, but my micellar cleansing water to take my makeup off. I'll do one for that, take my makeup off, wash my face, and then do another one to dry my face with. But they're so amazing. I'll use these on clients at the salon if I'm doing facials. I feel like it's better than using like reusable towels on everyone. Yeah, and they are biodegradable. So I know they're not amazing for the earth, but they are biodegradable, so it's a little bit better. But yeah, this one is like $10 cheaper than the, I forget what it's called. I want to say clean towels, but it's the one, they're all over Instagram. And this one's like $10 cheaper, but that's what they look like. All right, next one, last one for beauty slash fashion are these sunglasses. I'm obsessed. These came with two. So it came with this pair and then a black pair. I searched high and low for these sunglasses. So I borrowed one of my friend's sunglasses once, took a photo on them. I loved them, but they were a little big, and I have a small head and face, so sunglasses always look like too big on me, like this way. I searched everywhere for a pair that were small that way, and I found these, and these are amazing. So I don't have the black pair, I don't know where they are. I love them. I don't really wear sunglasses for any other reason than to look cool in them. I've worn these at the club before. I don't know. I'm one of those. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Okay, next, moving on to lifestyle, home stuff. So I'm just gonna be inserting pictures because some of these things are too big to grab. First thing I bought, I think I talked about this a little bit in one of my vlogs, but I didn't really tell you guys how I loved it, but it is amazing, worth every penny. So this is a specific like produce container, I guess, for your fridge. So it's made specifically for like salads. So I love to have salads. I like to prep I normally have salads with like arugula or kale, but I like to prep it all first and then keep it in my fridge. And I noticed when I started using these specific Tupperware containers, they're like plastic, so you just kind of wash it and then it has like the white part that you put it in. I don't really know the science behind why it works better. Or arugula or whatever will last so much longer, like a week longer probably. Amazing, because it's the worst thing is take all the time to prep all this stuff and then it goes bad really fast. I hate that. Okay, next ones you're actually been looking at this whole time, you didn't even know, are these colored light bulbs. First of all, bought these lamps from Target for like $20. Amazing. I think they add to the room. Let me just show you guys. So they are smart light bulbs. So you literally go on your phone, it's an app on your phone, and you can control them and you can make them whatever color you want. See? Any color you want, any color of the rainbow. And then they also have different settings on here. So you could do white, you could do, and then they also have scene. So this is like reading. If you guys know, I read a lot. Working is brighter, leisure's a little darker. But yeah, so you could change it to whatever you want. But yeah, I love them. I just think they add such a vibe to my room. So the other day, and I have LED lights around my TV too. So the other day I matched them all and I was like watching a movie and it just like gave me vibes. And then sometimes I'll put them on to read. Babe, that was my cat. What's wrong? She has the zoomies. But yeah, I just think it makes such a vibe in here. I love them. I want to get some out in my living room too. But right now I just have them in here and I just love them. It was the best purchase ever. Oh, next one. I am late to this train. Very, very late. My friend told me I needed to get an air fryer for so long. I think she told me for months. And I was like, whatever. I finally get an air fryer. I've not cooked anything any other way than in my air fryer ever again. It is the best purchase I have ever made. So I'll link my air fryer. I got a pretty cheap one. It's pretty tiny. I would not get this air fryer unless you are only cooking for yourself, because sometimes even for just myself it's kind of tiny. So if you're cooking for even just like 2 people, it's probably too tiny. It's super cheap and I love it. It works amazing. I've had no issues. I cook everything in there. Other thing, very last thing, this goes along with cooking. Same friend, she's onto something, got me hooked. It's an egg maker. If you guys watched my vlog where I said I almost burnt my apartment down, then you know that I need to stop cooking eggs on the stove. So my friend, I was telling her what happened and she was like, you don't have an egg cooker? And I was like, who has an egg cooker? Everyone should. This is so cheap. It was like $10 and I would never make eggs any other way. So I live off well, I don't live off hard-boiled eggs, but I have hard-boiled eggs every single day. So I make them quite often. You can make any type of eggs in here though. You can make poached eggs, hard-boiled eggs, omelets, you can make egg bites, anything. It's amazing. And then it shuts off automatically, so you don't have to worry about burning your apartment down. 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10 purchase. But that's it, guys. Those are my must-haves for now. Don't worry. I order from Amazon at least every week, if not more. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want another must-haves Amazon video, let me know, because I already have more that I could have added to this video, but I will definitely be finding more Amazon finds as well. But yeah, like I said, everything will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. But yeah, just make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Peace out.